Hi, I'm Rebecca. Welcome back to another episode of Easy English. This weekend in Canada is a long weekend and we are celebrating Thanksgiving. So today we are actually asking some of my family members, my aunts and uncles and cousins, what Thanksgiving means to them, how we celebrate, and what they are grateful for this year. Ready? Let's go. What do you typically do on Thanksgiving?
Typically on Thanksgiving, we usually get together as a big family, like the whole family, all the aunts, uncles, cousins, and we just kind of sit around, talk, we catch up on stuff. We eat, we occasionally go for a walk and sometimes like watch a game if it's on.
Typically, there's either family time or for myself, I like to focus on gratitude.
On Thanksgiving, we usually get together with our family and we have lots of really delicious food and everybody brings something homemade. So, for example, this Thanksgiving I made pumpkin spice cookies and we're all going to have that later for dessert. And we just spend a lot of time chatting and talking, and sometimes we see family that we haven't seen for a long time, and it's just a really good time.
Can you tell me a bit more about what kind of food you typically eat on Thanksgiving?
Typically, we have turkey, of course, homemade stuffing, lentil soup for an appetizer. We have potatoes, vegetables, roast beef.
So what do you remember from your first Thanksgiving in Canada?
I remember eating a lot of turkey and having a nap afterwards because turkey makes you sleepy.
So as part of our Thanksgiving meal, I prepared a lentil soup, which is made of shredded carrot, garlic, there's celery in here, and of course lentils. And we use this as an appetizer before our main course.
One of our traditions at Thanksgiving is having pumpkins and flowers. And then when you have someone lovely that makes you an arrangement, you get this. And we tend to take these to our hostesses that we're going to dinner with to see, and we have our lovely hostess gift.
What does Thanksgiving mean to you as a holiday tradition?
Thanksgiving to me means just to be grateful, just to get together with family, just to think that we live in Canada, we live in a country that's accepting, multicultural, like just to be thankful for my friends, my teachers, just everyone who has an impact in my life.
In general, I like to focus on a lot of the things that bring joy or bring peace to my life, and I look at the gratitude within that. So for me, it's where I live, it's the job and career situation that I've built for myself, it's my partner and all that sort of stuff. Gratitude is scientifically proven to create a quality state of being within an individual that both brings them peace within their life, but it also changes the way they go about living in regular society in the community, right, which is really important overall.
What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
Well, I'm thankful for my family, for my partner, my new cat that we just recently adopted.
I'd say that I'm just grateful to have time with my family and just spending time with family that I haven't seen for a long time, catching up, seeing what's new in their lives, finding out what they want to do.
If you were coming to Canada for the first time during the fall season, what would you recommend people to do?
I would recommend people to maybe go to a pumpkin patch or like a cornfield, go apple picking, like somewhere outside, be like really active and experience like the nature outside.
I would recommend that they go for a walk in the forest and go for a hike and see all the beautiful fall colors and just spend time chatting with each other and enjoying the beautiful nature.
In Canada, you get to experience 4 seasons pretty much anywhere you go. One of my favorite times of the year is absolutely fall because of the cold, brisk air, but it's not too cold. I mean, you see me, I'm not dressed in a jacket. I don't wear jackets at all, but going out in nature, walking, enjoying the colors, enjoying the nice, clean, quality air out in nature is definitely something I make a point to do all the time, every fall.
get a glass of whipped cream, please?
Because you get high off the nitrous oxide, right?
You're supposed to do it like this.
Why don't you take him to your class one day?
Just hold it like that and then go. Suck out the nitrous and you get going.
Hey, I have a special guest for you guys today.
I gotta go.
Okay,
Bye. Bye, Layla.
So we hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let us know in the comments if you celebrate Thanksgiving or if you have another cultural tradition that you celebrate in fall.
Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving!
See you next time.